I'm in my car because my house is kind of loud and I feel ugly in my room. I'm not gonna lie, I feel ugly. Like at the start of this video, my hair was down and I was in my bedroom. And now my hair is up, I'm in my car, and I brought the Emma Chamberlain Ideal Planner. If you don't know me, that's okay. I have one video that is probably irrelevant to you. I'm Sarah and Sable. I'm in the Army. I am a cheerleader. I go to school. I am pre-PA. I do a lot of things. I'm moving to California in a week. Right now, I'm in Washington. I'm honestly gonna film a lot. I've always wanted to do YouTube. My mom wants me to do YouTube. I have a really fun life. If you followed me on TikTok, you know I was on Grey's Anatomy. Like I said, I was in the Army, and I just do a lot of fun things. So YouTube is just like another thing that I want to put on my list. Anyways, enough about me. Let's get on to the video. You kind of already saw me flip through it, so if that was enough for you to go buy the planner, go buy it. I am a fan of this. Anyways, let's get some coffee and then we'll get on with the review. There's actually a ton of people around me, and I probably went to high school with all of them. So this is for you. This is so that you guys can have good lighting, no distractions. It's just you and me. We can connect. Okay, you're probably sick of hearing of me. Anyways, our queen, Emma. Also, I got a Red Bull. It's delicious, okay? This is the planner. It's actually pretty big. There's a lot of pages in it. First thing that I did notice about this planner is that it has some sticky substance on it. I don't know what happened here. I'm honestly not mad at that. It happens. I think this is probably the only planner that's ever happened to. I'll forgive it, and it was really easy to take off. I took off most of it. It's fine. Let's talk about my planner needs. I am a senior in college right now, so I do have like a lot of classes and I write a lot of stuff down. I also am going to start YouTube. I do work out, and I have a couple friends. Yes, I have a couple friends. I travel sometimes. I pay bills. So those are kind of my planner needs. Basically I have a lot of stuff that I do. So will this planner help me? I think so. I've already looked through it a little bit, and it's cute. It is cute, but let's open it up. Let's open it up, and I'm going to show you exactly what I like about it and what I don't like about it. All right, the first page is this planner belongs to. Perfect. I can write my name and I write my phone number just in case I lose my planner. And then you draw a self-portrait of yourself, which super cute. The beginning has a lot of little activities like this. I've had a couple of Shop and Do planners. I have been using Shop and Do since like 2012, 2013, and then these past 2 years I've just kind of been doing whatever. Right now I do have an Erin Condren planner. This one was custom made and I love it. I will link this one in the description too if you're interested. This is an academic planner, and I love this one. This reminds me a lot of a Shop and Do planner if you've ever had one of those. There's a lot of little activities. So this one says all your friends and their nicknames, which I do not have this many friends. I will just be completely honest right now. I don't have that many friends, and all of my friends do not have nicknames. Oh, or maybe it's like you put their government name, like my name is Sarah Ann, but I go by Sarah. So Sarah Ann, Sarah, because who has a nickname? Maybe if you like play sports, you have a nickname. Oh, this is so cute. Actually, I didn't see this. I've gone through this like 4 times already. Write a letter to yourself and read it in a year. That is so cute. Last year, I was like leaving for the Army, and I was like, I was not a happy girl. I will say that. I was like, I'm in a much better place now, and I've learned so much. So I would just love to see what I was thinking a year ago. The actual planner. Did you forget this was a planner? Because I kind of did. All right, so this is amazing, actually. I told my dad not that long ago that I needed a planner that did not have dates in it, because I was looking... Actually, this was a few months ago now. In like April, I was looking for a planner that started in April. None of them do. They either start in January or July. But I was trying to get my life together in April, and it bugs me if I have to start, like if I bought a January one, I would have to skip 4 months and waste a bunch of paper. So this planner made by our queen, Emma Chamberlain, has no dates in it. This is amazing. This is so innovative and I love it. I'm a type 7 wing 8, which means I have no structure, but I just desire. I desire to be a challenger and like, you know, a go-getter and, you know, someone who uses a planner. But in my heart, I am a 7. Terrible idea. It was fine. For example, I just go places on a whim. I'm very spontaneous. So planner is not something that I really am good at. I'm not good at using planners, but I wish I was. That is the definition of a type 7 wing 8. Here is the days. You fill in the date yourself. There's actually a bit of room in these sections. I feel like I could write a lot. Another thing that I really, really like is that Saturday and Sunday are the same size as all the other days. If you don't know what I'm talking about, let me show you. My Saturday and Sunday are actually really small when the Thursday and Friday are ginormous. I do stuff on the weekends. Usually it's homework, but I'm still doing stuff on the weekends. Another thing, I really like how sturdy this is. It's a hardcover, but it's also like a binder. It's really cute. Very sturdy. I feel like I could spill something on it and it'd be fine. Here's a couple more activities. Myself in the face. I think these are really cute, but I don't know. Like if I'm using my planner, I feel like I'm never just flipping through it looking for stuff to do. One more thing I'm not the biggest fan of is that there's one of these, so 1 month, and then there's 6 weeks. So we know that math doesn't add up. I don't have to tell you that. You kind of have to overlap the months, which is, I feel like that could make me a little bit disorganized. But you know, also I'm probably not going to use this very consistently. So there's a lot of these cute coloring sheets, pretty much like 3 pages at least after every month, which is super nice. And then this one might be my favorite. I can't wait to do it. It's a cuss word crossword puzzle, and then our queen Emma, beautiful. There's like a little journaling page, which is, I'm not gonna lie, it's super cute, but I also feel like realistically I won't be using it. Maybe you will, maybe you will. Maybe everyone else except for me will, because they actually like know how to have their life together. List of pet peeves. Please tell me in the comment section below what your biggest pet peeve is. I love hearing people's pet peeves. My pet peeve is when people waste my time. That's my pet peeve. Leave in the comments below what your pet peeve is. This is the game. She calls it cooties. I don't know what I called it, but I definitely didn't call it cooties. So this is like, it's that game you play in elementary school. You have like this folded up paper that I never learned how to do, and you go like, so you're like, oh, blue or purple, and you're like, oh, purple, and then you go, okay, 1, 2, or 3, and then they're like 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, you're gonna marry Zac Efron. That's how that works. That's how that game works out. I'm not gonna read these because I do want to be surprised when I finally use it, but also I feel like I might be too dumb to use it. I feel like I might be too dumb to actually fold this up and do that. So that might be an issue. Maybe I can get someone smarter than me to do it. I'm not kidding. I wanted to learn how to do this my whole life, but for some reason I just could never do it. I would have like a bunch of 5-year-olds be like, this is how you do it, Sarah. And I'd be like, this is rocket science. Some more pages. A lot of the pages, I feel like there's a lot of the same pages. Not mad at it at all. It kind of seems like a lot of work. Since there are no dates, I can take as long as I want to. Some more coloring pages. I want to know if there's anything that's gonna like blow your mind. Write a letter to your current crush. I'm not gonna lie, I saw that and I was like, I'm gonna do that immediately, but maybe I'll I mean, I guess I could do that not in this planner. I could just do that like on my phone, like in the notes section or on a real piece of paper. I'm not gonna do that. I literally have so many other things to do, but here I am. By the way, my name is Sarah Ann Sable. If you like me, please subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And my Instagram is @SarahAnnSable. And we're at the end of the planner. This is the contacts page. And then there's a passwords page and a notes page. I just realized there's only one page for notes, which is fine because I never use those notes anyways, but I know that notes section is important to people. Keep that in mind. I do like having the luxury of not having any dates because I can just pick this up. If I lose this one, I can just pick this one up and start whenever, or I can just save it for next year, which is an option. It's an option. I do really like it. I think it's super cute. Things I am not too happy about. There's no tab, so if I am this far into it, I am gonna have to flip through all these pages and find out where I am, which kind of sucks. I mean, I don't know. I like it. I'm putting my stamp of approval on it. It retails for like $30. I think I paid 18 or 19. I'm not sure why, but on Amazon it was 18 or 19. And I pre-ordered this. I'm gonna leave the link below, but I'm not sure if it's like sold out or if it's gonna be a limited time thing. And like I said, I really like all the cute stuff in there, like the doodling and the coloring pages. I feel like if I was in school and I was just bored during lecture, I could definitely just pull out that coloring page and just, you know, have a great time. It doesn't smell like anything, which is nice. I wonder how many days are in this. This planner, for if it's still $18 or $19, it is a steal. I highly recommend, even if it's $30, that's kind of the price point for a nice planner. Obviously, if you go to Walmart or Target, you'll get something for like $10, $15. It won't be as fun as this. So if you're looking for a nice and fun planner, this is a good option. Good job, Emma. I am constantly proud of you, and you never fail me. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, it helps out my channel. And go buy this planner because it's super cute. Bye.